Hi, welcome back to Glow Up with Shelly. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a couple of my favorite lip colors. I get asked a lot of questions about these and I want to tell you a little bit more about them, why I absolutely love them, and a little bit about a sale that you need to take advantage of. Remember, this channel is all about glowing up, transformative skincare, flawless makeup, and a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. I want you to know when I post future videos. Okay, so let's get started. I am wearing one of these shades today, and it is the Fenty Beauty by Rhiana Stunna Lip Paint. And this is in the color Uncencored. And as you see, let me pull this out. It's super, super sexy. I just love the way this lip paint is shaped. So here is the jar. It's so super cool. And when you open this, let me show you the applicator, because the applicator is super cool too. Gotta see the shape of that applicator. And when this goes on, it is stunning. It gives such an intense, bold swipe of color. I absolutely love these lipsticks. The great thing about them too, if you can see on my lips, they don't gather in the creases, which makes them, I would say, both young people and more mature women friendly, right? So as we age, our lips lose some of that volume, right? And you don't want something that's sticking into kind of the lines and creases in your lip, because it's going to age you. It's going to make you look much older than you actually are. And so if you're just a person who naturally has creases in your lips, right, this is a great lip paint because it doesn't show any of those creases. It just glides on beautifully. The color's intense. You only need one coat. I am wearing it with the NYX lip liner in dark red. And so that is the lip color I'm wearing. When I wear my Uncuffed color, and let me pop a picture right here to show you, this is me in another video, and you can see I'm kind of talking. I am wearing the shade Uncuffed. And I wear that with the NYX lip liner in beige nude, or beige sand, sorry. That is also a beautiful look. I get lots of compliments from this lipstick. Again, it just doesn't sit in the creases. It gives a nice, beautiful, bold color, but without feeling like you're really wearing something that's really sticky or harsh. It wears all day. You can eat in it, you can drink in it, you can talk in it, and you're not gonna lose any of that color that's on your lips. Also, about these lip colors, which something that's super awesome about them is that they are on sale right now on Fenty's website. So they normally retail for $26, but they're on sale right now for $19.50. There's a couple of colors that are actually on sale for $10. I don't know if those are really like my colors or not, but hey, if that's something that you like, they're on sale. Snatch them while you can. Remember, this is Black Friday season. There's a lot of stuff that's going on sale, and so that is one of them. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed sharing this lip color with you, and I will be posting further reviews about products that I enjoy, and I'm always on the lookout for something new and something even better. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time on Glow Up.